Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Pereznieto and today we will draw a ruby ring. We begin by sketching an oval for the ring. We start very lightly and then apply more and more pressure. Let's draw the width of it. Good, and then a circle or nearly a circle for the ruby itself. On the circle there will be 6 little braces to hold the stone. I'm drawing this in perspective, as you see, but it is a very simple perspective. Now I switched to a red. All this sketch, I am doing it with the cold erase pencils, precisely because they can be erased, so I can do any corrections. Now let's draw the shapes of the facets. It will have a sort of square in the middle and then a lot of triangles or shapes similar to triangles. Those little triangles will be like the texture inside the stone. Let's grab an intense dark red and choose some to fill in. Then with a light red we do some other ones. Very good. And now with a dark blue I do some shading on top of some sides of the dark ones. And I do the same with a purple, also filling in some completely with this color, just to create changes in tone. I'm trying to do them a bit scattered. What I mean is that there are not many of the same together, but they are spread. It is not totally random, however. In the end, it will have more of the darkest ones toward the edges and the bottom part, so as to give it some value. We do a few with an intense orange, and then with the blue draw the base for some other ones. And we go over this, of course, with a red. If you would like clear step-by-step instructions on how to draw precious stones, as well as many other surfaces and effects, I recommend you my book, You Can Draw, Simple Techniques for Realistic Drawings. Let's give a very light tone to these 2 or 3 spaces that we have left white. In the description below the video I will give you the full list of materials that I used for this drawing, and I also placed the link for the book on Amazon, or in the US you can also find it in bookstores. Good, now let's draw some reflections to the little metal holders. And to the ring, of course. You can really play with the reflections, there is not a set thing, because as you move the ring they will change a lot. I think maybe it was a little bit hard to see in the video, but after I was done coloring the stone, then I took the white pencil and did some big facets, or cuts of the stone, like the central big square and the left side of the ruby. Yes, these bigger ones will be the cuts of the stone, and the other ones are like the texture of the ruby. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I want to especially thank Uncle Raggy and Eric Thomas for always being there. It's ready! If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, share it to your friends and subscribe to Fine Art Tips, and I will see you on Tuesday.